client who's been in a captive before and had a bad experience already understands what a captive is. You don't need to do the 101. What you need to do is take their experience seriously before you say anything else. Start by asking what happened, not to position yourself, because you genuinely need to understand it before you can say anything useful. Was it a financial surprise? Did they get cut out of the relationship? Did they feel like nobody told them what they were signing up for? Here's the honest reality of the industry. Most captive managers aren't built to protect agents. They're built to serve themselves. They prefer agents who are grateful and quiet. And when things go wrong, the agent is usually the last to know. So the question for your client isn't, were you in the wrong type of captive? It's who was running it and did they treat you the way you deserved? That's where our 5 rules become relevant, not as a sales pitch, as a structural answer to exactly what went wrong. A burned client who understands it was a program problem, not a captive problem, is one of the most motivated prospects you'll ever sit across from.